Hi guys, today we got Mitsubishi ASX diesel model and when SUV this car is having a trouble with right side tyre. So we're gonna replace this part. We got brand new part and plus we do the full service for this car. Okay guys, let's get into the job. Okay, here now we are in the right side of the car and we already set up the car as a first step, and for safety precaution we use our support, and now we have to remove the tyre. Some rubber just have gone out and some rubber boots. So definitely we have to so when you remove the tie rod, we have count the number of turns that we take removed. This is our worn part. As you can see, it's already worn. Next step is tighten the check nut. There was replacement of tie rod, and next step of this car will be change the engine oil plus oil filter. Let's jump into the job. This customer hasn't changed this oil for 10,000 km, but Mitsubishi recommend to change it every 7,000 km. That could be the reason for this. When you do the service, usually we check the air filter plus diesel filter for this car. This is the air filter. I recommend to replace this one as it is very dirty. For this diesel engine, we gonna use C4 grade 5W30 engine oil.